Have you ever felt trapped? Not by walls, not by people, but by your own thoughts. Negativity is like a silent prison, and the worst part is, most of us don't even realize the door was never locked. There was once a young person who looked perfectly normal from the outside, smiling in front of friends, showing up at work, be pretending everything was fine. But inside, it was a battlefield. Every small mistake turned into a storm. A single failure in school, a missed opportunity, a harsh word from someone, played again and again in the mind like a broken record. The more they tried to push these thoughts away, the louder they came back. At night, when the world went quiet, those whispers grew into shouts. You're not good enough. You will never succeed. Why even try? Negativity had become a shadow, always following, always heavy. One night, in an exhausted sleep, they found themselves in a long, dark corridor. The walls were covered with words glowing faintly. Failure, useless, weak, hopeless. Chains wrapped tightly around their arms and legs, dragging them down. They tried to break free. They screamed, they pulled, they fought, but the harder they resisted, the heavier the chains became. Finally, out of sheer exhaustion, they stopped struggling. And in that silence, they noticed something strange. The chains weren't attached to the walls. They weren't locked by anyone else. They were being held tightly in their own hands. And the moment they let go, the chains fell. A voice echoed in the darkness. You cannot stop negative thoughts from coming, but you can stop holding on to them. Don't fight the darkness. Replace it with light. When they woke up, something had shifted. The thoughts did not disappear overnight, but now there was a choice. Every time negativity whispered, instead of wrestling with it, they replaced it. With gratitude for small blessings, with courage to take just one small step forward, with faith that every delay has wisdom, slowly the shadow grew weaker. The room that once felt like a prison began to feel lighter, and the truth became clear. The battle was never outside. It was always within. My friend, your mind is your battlefield. And victory is not in silencing every negative thought. It's in choosing which thoughts you give power to. Don't waste your life wrestling with shadows. Light a lamp instead. So tell me, when negativity whispers in your ear, do you let it control your life, or do you take back the key?